Two heavyweights in AI content creation, Copy.ai and PlayHT. Which one really delivers? On the left, Copy.ai, the powerhouse for creative AI-driven writing. And on the right, PlayHT, your gateway to lifelike, customizable AI voices. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, before we jump into the details, here's your mind map for today's battle. We're looking at core functions, pricing, language and voice support, ease of use, output quality, business integrations, and the future of each platform. Yeah, it's a lot, but you want the real deal, right?
First up, core function. So, Copy.ai is all about writing. Clever blog posts, emails, ad copy, you name it. Tons of automation, templates, even brand voice options if you want to sound fancy. But you won't get any audio in here. PlayHT, on the other hand, is not going to write your blog for you, but it will give you some seriously impressive AI voices. It can clone voices, speak in 140 plus languages, and choose from 600 plus voices? Wild, right? Honestly, they're both pros at their thing. Can't really declare a winner here. Next, pricing. With Copy.ai, you get flexible pricing, a free trial, and plans that scale depending on if you're solo or running a team. Just a heads up, those advanced enterprise features do creep up in price though. Now, PlayHT. There's a free tier and pay-as-you-go for audio, which is cool if you just need a few clips. But if you want the serious stuff, like voice cloning, it's locked behind bigger subscriptions. So no unlimited cloning for free. Sorry. Copy.ai takes this one for keeping things transparent and more budget-friendly. Let's talk language and voice support. Copy.ai, sure, it writes in over 25 languages, which is great if you're marketing worldwide, but again, text only, no accents. PlayHT, this is kind of jaw-dropping, does 140 plus languages, and you get to pick from over 600 voices. You can even clone your own, add emotion, and make those voices sound pretty darn human. Sometimes outputs need a little editing for naturalness, and yeah, it can mispronounce stuff. Still, PlayHT is the clear winner if voices are your thing.
Oh, here's something cool. Did you know PlayHT was acquired by Meta in July 2025?
Yeah, that's going to shake things up. Who knows what new voice tech they'll drop next? Ease of use. So Copy.ai is super simple. Jump in via your browser and you're greeted with templates for basically everything. Oh, and the team features? Super helpful if you're collabing. No big cons here. But PlayHT, while creating audio is honestly intuitive, you do have to get your hands dirty with audio settings if you want things just right. Editing by paragraphs is a neat trick, but going deep into voice cloning is definitely more technical. Copy.ai wins for smooth and easy content creation. Output quality. Copy.ai delivers solid human-like text almost always. Plus, you can make your brand sound just the way you want. Downside, it won't talk to you. PlayHT, though, gives you high-fidelity voice output, and you can tweak segments individually. Great for e-learning, podcasts, pretty much anywhere you want people to listen. Some voices do need manual fixes to sound totally natural, and the free cloning isn't quite as good. But still, PlayHT edges ahead here. The voice quality has that wow factor. Integrations for business. Copy.ai is super friendly with CRMs, content stacks, and workflow tools, plus you get API, team features, analytics, all the big business must-haves. PlayHT also has an API and is solid for custom projects or e-learning, especially in audio, but honestly, it's just not as connected outside the voice stuff. So if you're automating work in a big org, Copy.ai is the better fit.
Looking at the future and ownership, Copy.ai is independent, so expect steady evolutions and new features. PlayHT, get this, was just acquired by Meta in July 2025, so that could mean rapid innovation and a whole new direction. But yeah, with big tech buyouts, it sometimes gets a little murky for users who want stability. Right now, Copy.ai takes the win for platform certainty and ongoing ownership. Let's pause and look at the radar chart, summing up the categories. You'll see Copy.ai crushing it for business use, pricing, and ease of use, while PlayHT dominates on voice support and output quality. Core function? It's really apples versus oranges, a total tie. So, bottom line, if writing is your superpower,
and you want automation with style, go Copy.ai. But if you want your words to come alive, multilingual, emotional, and maybe a little uncanny, PlayHT is the go-to. Just keep an eye on what Meta does next, all right?
If you found this breakdown helpful, why not bookmark it for the next time you're lost in the AI tool jungle? You never know what demo we'll tackle next.